Rich Soul back at you again. And y'all seen it from the title, so we about to get it in. I got these over here sauteing up. And y'all remember from my last video? These are marinating in that good old shrimp scampi. Alright. So we're gonna let them get it in. And then we can do what it do. So I like to use these as a base. Okay. I like to kind of bake them in the oven for just a little bit. Just to get them warm. Okay, so I put a little teaspoon of butter and some heavy whipping cream in here. This is the sauce I'm going to be using. Okay. But I'm going to base it with some heavy whipping cream and some butter. This is still over here sizzling down. And hear the air fryer going off. That's a lobster. Okay. Sweet pea out the kitchen. So I'm going to use this to add onto this cheese. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. That cheese, that pico, and these taco Doritos are the bomb. I tried one trip. How to get one in. Lobster and shrimp. Let's get it in. Yeah, I don't even know where to start. Wow. Is this gonna be my Taco Tuesdays? Look at that cheese pour. Let me get some lobster on here. Oh, here we go. I hope y'all enjoying y'all holidays. 12/23 is my birthday. I'm gonna get it in next week. I'm gonna get some king crab and stuff cracking next week, y'all. Put a little lobster on here. I got some pico on here. I'm holding my plate, y'all, as y'all can see. So it's a little wiggly. This is the bomb. Y'all gotta try this recipe. And then at Kroger's, they got that bag. That taco bag. For $2.99. Something like that. So good. So bomb. Mm-mm-mm. Got some lobster on here. Oh, God. Wow. Oh, come back here. Come back, baby. Shrimp and lobster. Nachos. This is gonna be it, y'all. Oh, my mouth is messy. Look at that part. I'm about to tear into it. Mm-mm-mm. This is amazing. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mm. Now that's the bomb. This is the bomb. Y'all remember those Doritos I told y'all about? Y'all gotta try this recipe. Quick and easy. Woo! Add some pico on it. I'm trying to tell you. Until next time, peace and love.